Raw power, timeless design, a legend born from racing dreams. This is the 1965 Shelby Cobra 427, one of the most iconic American muscle machines ever built. Buckle up as we dive deep into the story, specs and soul of this beast. The Cobra legacy started in the early 60s when Carroll Shelby, a former race car driver, dreamed of building an American sports car to beat Ferrari. He took a lightweight British AC Ace chassis and dropped in a powerful American V8, creating the first Cobra. But in 1965, Shelby unleashed the ultimate version, the Cobra 427, featuring a monstrous 7-liter engine and a redesigned chassis to handle its raw power. Under the hood lies the heart of a monster, a 427 cubic inch 7-liter Ford V8 engine, producing up to 425 horsepower and 480 pound-foot of torque. With a 0 to 60 time of around 4.2 seconds, the Cobra 427 was a rocket on wheels, faster than many supercars of its era. It could hit over 160 miles per hour, making it one of the most powerful road-legal cars of the 60s. The Cobra 427 wasn't just about brute force. Its design was pure art, from the wide fender flares, side-exit exhausts, and aggressive stance to the simple, race-ready interior. The lightweight aluminum body helped keep the car nimble, while the coil spring suspension gave it better handling than its predecessors. The Cobra 427 was built for domination, and it did just that. Though not as heavily raced as earlier models, it still made its mark in competition. Shelby's Cobra lineup helped the U.S. beat European rivals in international racing, and the 427's legacy lived on in motorsports and collector culture. Today, a genuine 1965 Shelby Cobra 427 is a collector's dream, with auction prices easily reaching millions of dollars. Replicas exist worldwide, but only a few hundred originals were ever made. The Cobra's influence is still seen in modern muscle cars, proof of its timeless impact. Power, passion, and performance. The Shelby Cobra 427 wasn't just a car, it was a revolution. If you love pure American muscle and legendary engineering, the Cobra 427 will always stand as a symbol of automotive greatness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more legendary rides.